Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am bringing you the first Sunday, like the first tutorial of soft beat Sundays. You'll find out what that is later on in the tutorial, but I did this really cute soft glam look. Yes, I am here for it. Y'all know I'm very dramatic, but I'm gonna calm it down on Sundays, okay? Just for everybody. They can actually do a look and, just be cute and not be all dramatic like me all the time. But this is cute though. Like, I'm not even mad at this. I really like it, okay? And plus, I popped myself on with highlighter. But besides that point, okay, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification button and comment, like, subscribe, share. Is that it? Yeah, that's probably it. And again, I say this all the time. If you want to see a specific look, let me know down in the comments, okay? Because if you don't tell me, I don't know. All right, but yeah, we're gonna get into this look because it is real cute. It really is. Okay, so I'm using the Too Faced RX Hangover Primer, and I have been loving this stuff. Like, primers really don't do too much for me. Not that I really notice anyway. Like, a primer is primer. I've used matte primers. I've used hydrating primers. It all kind of does the same for me. Like, I have oily combination skin, but my skin is pretty much controlled. Like, the only part I really get oily in is my T-zone, and it's not like a whole lot of oil. Like, probably after 8 hours it is. But other than that, my skin is pretty much controlled. I don't really have like too many problems out of it. Okay, and I'm still using the Born This Way from Too Faced, and I'm in the color Caramel, and I do mix it in with a darker foundation just because the Caramel from Too Faced is a little, I don't know, when I got it during the summer, it worked for me. And then once the winter time got here, it's like it's a little bit too light for me, it looks like. So I don't know. Okay, and I'm also still using the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and I'm in the shade Sand, and I freaking love this stuff. And don't tell everybody right now is all hyped about the Fenty concealer and Fenty powder and whatever. You know what? I love Rihanna. I do. But I don't want to spend $26 on concealer. Okay? Like, I spent $28 on this, I think. I'm not a big fan of like high-end products just because of the prices. Like, I'm bougie on budget. We just put up here. Okay? But like, I don't want to do it. Okay. And then the setting powder is like $32. And I know with me, I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna either go to Sephora or if I go online. Like, I already got the stuff sitting in my cart. I want 2 of the powders, and I want one for my under eye, and I want one for all over my face. Okay, so that's like $60 right there. Okay, and then I know I want to get some lip gloss because she got a clear gloss, and then she got another like brownish gloss bomb. I want both of those. Okay, those are $18, so it's like $100 right there, right? Then I also want to try one of her sculpting sticks. Okay, since I can't contour now. So yeah, this gonna be good, like $120. I got bills. Okay, like I have bills and other things to do. So yeah, like I love Rihanna, I do, but where's the music? That's where I'm getting. Where is the music? Huh? That's what I need Rihanna to do this year. Okay, give me my music back. Okay, thank you. But anyways, so I'm gonna let this sit, and I'm going to contour with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. Okay. Okay, and I'm taking a Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, and it's gonna blend this out. Okay, so as far as my cheeks go, I just kind of take it and I pat it. I don't so much blend it. I kind of like I pat it and then move it up like this. There you go. And I love cream contour now. Like at first I didn't like it because I thought it would be just so messy and I thought I was gonna mess it up. But apparently I know what I'm doing a little bit. Okay, like I know what I'm doing a little bit. And I like to let my concealer set for a while just so I can get tacky and it gives you way more coverage. Okay, so the contour, I take the LA Girl Pro Contour Highlight Powder in the shade Medium. And then I also tap in a little bit of this Morphe bronzer, and it's in the color Showmace. Okay, so to contour my nose, I'm going to take the Baddie Cosmetics V3 brush. And I need to get really close so I can see. Okay. And I'm going to pinch my brush. Okay, and so then I'm going to take my Real Techniques, I think it's a powder brush, and just kind of tap it over the contour, which is going to blend it out. Yeah, I put way too much on this side. Yeah, on this side it came out right, but I don't know what happened over here. Okay, so we're about to do just a quick little look. Alright, so I'm going to take the Warrior palette from Juvia's Place, and I am using 2 shades out of here, which is the cream, which is going to be a transition color, and then the light brown. We'll use those 2 colors. Okay, so we just taking that cream shade and gonna be using it as a transition color. It's gonna be the base for the rest of the colors that's gonna go on. So I thought about something. I know I do a lot of bold looks, right? It's just really out there and dramatic. So I figured, why not on Sundays upload something soft, like a soft beat tutorial, soft beat Sundays. Okay, so I'm gonna start doing that every Sunday. You're gonna get a soft beat, okay? And it's gonna include foundation, no conceal, well, yeah, highlight, contour, all that good stuff. Since I also never do my full face on camera, we go do that, and then you're gonna get like a soft little makeup look, right? Something that you can actually wear and do. I probably put a little glitter in there every now and then, but it won't be nothing dramatic though. Okay, I think it's like a real cute idea, something to get started. Okay, and so for the last color, we're going to the Saharan II, and I'm going to take this brownish red color. Okay, I'm going to blend this into the crease, and I'm also going to bring it down on the lid. Okay, so I put my lashes on, and I took my Ride or Die lashes along with my lashes in the style Playful, stacked them together, and it looks so cute together, especially with simple looks like this. It just gives you that extra drama lash, and you're just real cute. Like, I love this. Like, it just made this simple look so much better. Okay, y'all know I don't even do stuff like this, but this is real cute. Alright, but anyways, okay, so for this under eye, I am going to take Baddie Cosmetics glitter, their chunky glitter, and this is in the shade Chocolate. You see that? And then I'm also going to take this gold glitter. I don't know the name of it right now, but I will leave it in the description box. And you can also use my code Keke to get some money off. And what I'm going to do is apply this under my eye. Okay. And I got this from, who does this? Keke Adams and Beauty by Melissa. I love them. Okay. They be straight creating magical moments with makeup. Okay. Like, I don't know what they be doing, but sis, like, I'm trying to get to look like that one day. All right. And then Beauty by Melissa, girl, I don't know what she be teaching her students in one day with these one-on-ones, but girl, look here. Miracles, okay? Straight miracles. I'm trying to get like that one day, all right? Because I do one-on-ones too, but I don't know what she be over doing, okay? I'm going to have to take a class on it to figure it out. I don't know. I'm like, yes, girl. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm going to take my favorite, the Juvia's Place loose highlighter in Nefertit. Anyway, you can see the name of it, but this is Nefertit, okay? And then I'm also going to take a little bit of the Baddie Cosmetics pigment in the shade Connect Columbia. And it's going to make your highlighter pop even more. I did this the other day and I was like, oh, okay. Okay, so this look does not require lipstick at all. I'm not about to put none on anyway. So what I'm going to do is take the LA colors. Yeah, this is LA colors. And their highshine lip gloss is in the shade Wink. And then the Colourpop lip gloss in the shade Wham. They don't have this one anymore, but it's one of my favorites.